Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact support on TooLjet. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. As you can see, I have already opened. Within the search bar, tap TooLjet, then enter, and it will show the official TooLjet page. Please make sure to always choose the official one. Tap on it. Now within the home page, scroll down to the footer section. Within it, you will see contact us section. In here, you can just see the contact emails like hello@tooljet.com and support@tooljet.com. If you click on them, nothing happens and it's okay. This usually happens because your browser does not have a default email app configured, or the email address is not shown as a plain text and a clickable button. Instead of clicking the email, you can just copy the email address manually. Then open your email app. You can just open Outlook or Gmail. Then tap on the compose button. Within it, paste. Please make sure to use support@tooljet.com for technical or account issues, while hello@tooljet.com for general or business related questions. And when you are contacting for support, always make sure to enter your registered email address while putting a clear description about the issues. As well as you can put screenshots or error messages if available. This helps the TooLjet support team to respond faster. After entering all your issues, you can just tap on the same and wait for the support team to sort out the issue. And that's it. This is how you can properly contact support on TooLjet even if the email link doesn't work. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.